Wacky, wacky, wacky packages. Wacky? Wacky? I'm feeling very wacky. Boing. Boing. Hey guys, welcome to Nikki's Fashion Diary. I'm feeling very wacky right now. I'm so wacky. I'm so wacky. I'm so wacky. I'm a wacky, wacky package. A wacky, wacky package. A wacky, wacky package. Hey guys, welcome to Nikki's Fashion Diary. If you don't know already, I am a card collector. I love collecting Garbage Pail Kids cards, and I have some other 1980s cards that you will be seeing in a next video of mine. But I am all about cards. I am for sure a card collector, not a baseball card collector, but a parody / 80s card collector. Yes. So the cards that I have collected for this video, they are, I don't know if you've ever heard of these before, but they are called Wacky Packages. But these Wacky Packages, we're going to open up and we're going to take a look at what is inside of these guys. So if you don't know what Wacky Packages are, they are made by the brand called Topps. T-O-P-P-S. That brand, Topps, makes a ton of other cards out there in the world. Baseball cards. They make the Garbage Pail Kids cards, which I truly love and adore, with all my heart. These Wacky Packages are parody cards. I do have some Wacky Packages already, some cards that I have opened up that are in my collection, and those are cards based off of products. Cereal, bug spray, you name it. So they are parodies off of product names. These particular Wacky Packages cards are parodies of movies. These are called Go to the Movies. Go to the movies, guys. So we're going to open up these. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 7 of these bad boys that we're going to open up. And here's what's crazy too. I actually have notebooks. Oh my god. So I thrifted these bad boys at Salvation Army. Actual notebooks that have not been written in yet. How insane. How insane, guys. This is so clear. It's so clean. So this is super crazy. These notebooks are from 2006. And it's really cool. So as you see all the food items on here, these are what the Wacky Packages cards look like that I have. That's just one notebook. And I'll show you guys these up close in just a minute. But I've got another notebook here, and it's a parody off of food items. As you can see, this is a game, the game of Operation. So it's not just necessarily food. There are other items that they do parodies of. And then this Wacky Package guy that we have going on is also food. So, which is great, and all of these are brand new notepads. They have never been written in, from 2006. Each one of these bad boys was 67 cents. If you can see it, where's my finger? 67 cents. I thrifted this at Salvation Army for 67 cents. And I don't know if this is actually worth money because I've never seen a Wacky Packages notebook before. Not just one, not just two, but three Wacky Packages notebooks. This is crazy. I really think that these could potentially be worth some money, guys. They're all from 2006 from the Topps company. So let's go ahead and open up these Wacky Package cards.
The Pope takes a poop and the President too, and the fancy pants banker in his three-piece suit. The big fat general and all of his troops. The truth of the matter is everybody poops. The famous brain surgeon has to leave his lump, and the high-priced model has to stop for a dump. But can the size of Canada can't spray away the truth, cause even if they don't admit it, everybody poops. Everybody poops. Everybody poops. Sure things number more than 2. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Some days it's easy, other days it's hard. But if your system's working, thank your lucky stars. Nobody talks about it, not a word is said. But if you're not pooping, then it means you're probably dead. true. But even all the wealthy people gotta make do. And if you live long enough, it's happening to you. Sooner or later, everybody poops.
Everybody poops. Everybody poops. Sure things number more than two. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Doobie-doo.
The Pope takes a poop and the President too, and the fancy pants banker in his three-piece suit, the big fat general and all of his troops. The truth of the matter is everybody poops. The famous brain surgeon has to leave his lump, and the high-priced model has to stop for a dump. But can the sides of Canada can't spray away the truth, 'cause even if they don't admit it, everybody poops.
Everybody poops. Everybody poops. Sure things number more than two. Death and taxes and everybody poops.
Some days it's easy, other days it's hard. But if your system's working, thank your lucky stars. Nobody talks about it, not a word is said. But if you're not pooping, then it means you're probably dead. The destitute and homeless have to do it, it's true. But even all the wealthy people gotta make do. And if you live long enough, it's happening to you. Sooner or later, everybody poops.
Everybody poops. Everybody poops. Sure things number more than two. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Doobie-doo.
The Pope takes a poop and the President too, and the fancy pants banker in his three-piece suit, the big fat general and all of his troops. The truth of the matter is everybody poops. The famous brain surgeon has to leave his lump, and the high-priced model has to stop for a dump. But can the sides of Canada can't spray away the truth, 'cause even if they don't admit it, everybody poops.
Everybody poops. Everybody poops. Sure things number more than two. Death and taxes and everybody poops.
Some days it's easy, other days it's hard. But if your system's working, thank your lucky stars. Nobody talks about it, not a word is said. But if you're not pooping, then it means you're probably dead. The destitute and homeless have to do it, it's true. But even all the wealthy people gotta make do. And if you live long enough, it's happening to you. Sooner or later, everybody poops.
Everybody poops. Everybody poops. Sure things number more than two. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Doobie-doo.
The Pope takes a poop and the President too, and the fancy pants banker in his three-piece suit, the big fat general and all of his troops. The truth of the matter is everybody poops. The famous brain surgeon has to leave his lump, and the high-priced model has to stop for a dump. But can the size of Canada can't spray away the truth? Cause even if they don't admit it, everybody poops.
Everybody poops. Everybody poops. Sure things number more than two. Death and taxes and everybody poops.
Some days it's easy, other days it's hard. But if your system's working, thank your lucky stars. Nobody talks about it, not a word is said. But if you're not pooping, then it means you're probably dead. The destitute and homeless have to do it, it's true. But even all the wealthy people gotta make do. And if you live long enough, it's happening to you. Sooner or later, everybody poops.
Everybody poops. Everybody poops. Sure things number more than two.
Well, there folks, there you have it. I opened up all 7 packages, which cost me $1 each at the dollar store. So if you're wondering where the heck do I get these guys, dollar store. I get my Garbage Pail Kids cards from the dollar store. They have all different kinds, Battle of the Bands, I Hate the 80s, they have 2012, 13, 14, 15, they've got so many different years at the dollar store. Dollar Tree, guys, it's not just any dollar store. I go to the Dollar Tree for my Wacky Packages cards and also for my Garbage Pail Kids cards. So there's 4 in a package, which will cost you $1 specifically for this series. You will get more Wacky Packages, like I think it's 8 or 10 cards when it's their regular series. So because this is kind of special, it's going to the movies, they do give you less cards. So all in all, I ended up getting 28 cards, 28 really cool parody cards. And what you guys have to sort of pick up on with these cards is that you have to know your pop culture. Same thing with Garbage Pail Kids cards. You have to understand the meaning behind the cards. What movie is it? What is the phrase? What are they referencing? And then it becomes even more funny to you, and then you get it and you have your aha moment. You're like, oh, I truly understand this card. So I like these cards because they make you think and they make you sort of stay relevant on your pop culture and your current events and what is going on in the world. So that is what these cards are, and super thrilled about it, super psyched. I will be buying more. And it tells you on the back, you know, what they're referencing, like sci-fi or what is it, some of these comedy. A lot of mine were sci-fi in here, action film, animated film, that kind of thing. So I hope this was fun for you guys, just to sort of see what the cards look like, what I got. It was fun for me because I didn't get any repeats, which I'm totally shocked about. No repeats, guys. Normally, when you're buying, you know, these cards, you're gonna have a repeat because that's just how the nature of the beast works. But there weren't any, so that's actually quite cool. So 28 cards cost me $7, $1 a pack. Super thrilled, and I will be doing more Wacky Packages in the future. I hope you enjoyed this. Stay wacky with it, guys.